Hi everyone. In this lesson I'm going to demonstrate how we start to analyse data using scatter charts and trend lines. So as an example here, I have taken some information about the population of Brisbane, and we can see over the years these numbers represent the percentage of people in working age bracket 15 to 64-year-olds. Let's begin by highlighting the numerical data, and then on the ribbon we go to the insert menu and then over on charts, and I'll select a scatter chart just with points. Now I'll change the title here. Always make your title something meaningful. I will add in some titles for the axes. This is the working age percentage, and it is the percentage of 15 to 64-year-olds in the population. The one down the bottom here is the years. Now, I don't like the default markers. They just put these big chunky blue dots. If you click on those, and then you can go to the Format menu, and over here on the side, Format Selection. We should be getting, here it is. Now, it's the part here that looks like a bucket, and we'll have lines and markers. Go to the markers. Go open up this section with marker options, and don't go with automatic. Go with built-in and change it to these nice crosses. That's a lot more like an actual chart that you would draw. Now, I want to create a mathematical model where I can use to do some predictions here. There is an easy way and there is a better way. In this lesson, I'm going to show you the easy way. The easy way, we click on the chart and then we highlight and click on this plus sign, and we come down here where it says trend line. Don't be tempted to put a tick in the box. You see how it's trying to decide for me what to do. Use the little arrow to go to more options. Now I will go with a linear model to start with, and then come down here and go click display equation on the chart and display the R-squared value. That's the easy way. And there I have my model. I can make that a bit larger so it's easy to read, and if I want to I could put a little background in that box. And that's my chart. So I've got a linear model. There's the equation of the model. I've got an R-squared value, the coefficient of determination. The only thing I haven't done yet is applied these uncertainty values to my percentages. So I can do that before we finish. Click on the data series. Any of the points should highlight the whole thing. And once again, we use the plus sign. And this time we're going to error bars. Again, don't be ticking the box. It'll decide for itself. Come across to the side and we'll go more options. Now, don't worry about the appearance of the chart at this stage. I'm going to do custom error bars. Notice we're on the vertical ones. Specify the value, and I will then, the positive or the upwards amount, I will use the numbers stored here. The negative or the downwards amount, I'll use the same numbers. And thank you, I'll press OK. That's changed the vertical ones. If I click the horizontal error bar, now I don't want horizontal error bars, I'll leave them as a fixed value of 0, and that should make the horizontal error bars disappear. And when I go back and have a look, there's my finished chart. I'll zoom up a little bit for you to see. Perhaps that was a little bit too much. And there's our chart. We can see the markers, we can see the error bars, we can see the trend line, and we can see the equation. We can also see we've got appropriate labels on the axes and a title that makes sense. So that's enough for this video, and that's the quick and easy way of creating a linear mathematical model using Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.